super consistent, I have to keep doing videos like this. So right now I'm in lovable.dev, right? I've already done a big video about this, but now we actually bought the platform and we actually gonna do it, right? So um long story short, I spoke to ChatGPT. By the way, ChatGPT is not the GOAT anymore. The GOAT is DeepSeek. And I don't want to give y'all the actual game that I'm giving of my business plan, but uh, if you have an idea about a software or something, you don't have any idea, obviously you can use ChatGPT or now DeepSeek to develop an idea, right? Based on market needs and stuff like that. Hey, ask a question. Hey, what type of, by the way, what type of software can I create right now? And then from there, tell it, yo, give me all the features, everything I possibly need to put into lovable.dev. And, you know, one shot, it knows what I want, keep moving. So at this point, right, I did that for one of my companies, and now we're going through it, and it fixes errors. It does, this is literally what I've been doing, just sitting here, click and do it, click and do it, click and do it. Now, we could level this up to having some type of, AI agent uh, for the computer, which is really like a Claude agent. It's the only one I've done. It takes over your computer. And just tell it, hey, every time this happens, do this. And like, you know what I mean? Execute this, do that. You know what I mean? Give it a good prompt, type, stuff like that. So you see it's an error, so then we try to fix it. I think something happened. Where do we go? And then you see it'll try and fix it. We need to set up the open AI key and super edge secrets with AI. Well, I don't want open AI. I want DeepSeek. I want DeepSeek API. And you see, this is literally what we doing. It looks like this is doing something, but also I want OpenAI, I want DeepSeek API, and then go to the next step. Complete it. Build on successful. That's gonna be next, right? So I'm literally, you see what we doing. You see what we doing. And then I mean, that's literally, what else am I supposed to tell you? I guess come in for the next video when I finish this whole thing. But it says in 2 minute video. It's definitely not. You can't finish this in 2 minutes for sure. Create software in 2 minutes. That would be clickbait. Sorry if I clickbaited you, but you're gonna have to go through it. You see, and now you got add API key, DeepSeek API key, and then you just go to your API key. You know, whatever it is. I didn't save this one, but I'm gonna have to create a new one and do my thug dizzle. So ultimately, uh, this is the play, right? And fix it. We're gonna see how it comes out. And we're on AI Marketing Profile, the YouTube channel, so definitely subscribe and let's get after it, fam. I'll see y'all on the other side. Uh, Make sure y'all follow me on the gram, all that good stuff. Wealthy Vibes Time. Hey, we gonna grow this channel, all right? You here? I know we ain't get that many views on it, but we gonna grow this channel. We gonna grow this page. We gonna grow this company. It's gonna be pretty big. I think so. Especially with this good looking face. You know what I'm saying? Holla.